All right, this video is Pizzazz, page 193. And it looks like this, only yours won't be purple, but maybe it will be, you never know. All right, let's just do maybe 5 of these together, and then the rest you can do by yourself. So we'll just start with one of the easier ones. Let's do 3 first, and then we'll work our way up. So number 3 says u to the 5th raised to the 3rd power. Well, when you have a power raised to a power, you keep the base and multiply the exponents. So 5 times 3 is 15. So my answer will be u to the 15th. And then I come down here and I look for it, and it said her. Number 3 was her. And I'm going to write the answer in here, u to the 15th. Down here, u to the 15th, I'm going to write the word her. All right, let's try number 6. Number 6 says -6 k to the 4th squared. So I'm going to fill in my 1. And I'm just going to take 2 times 1, and then I'm going to take 2 times 4. And I'm going to keep the bases. So I have -6, and then 2 times 1 is 2. Then I have k, and then 2 times 4 is 8. So when I work this out, I'm going to get -6 times -6. And then my k to the 8th is going to come down. But -6 times -6 is positive 36. And then I'm going to bring down my k to the 8th. And then I have my final answer. And that was the, so let's write it, it's 36 k to the 8th. And we come down here and look for it, and I see it over here. And I'm going to write the. Okay, let's do let's see, how about number 15? Let's do number 15. So it's -2 u squared k to the 4th, and it's raised to the 3rd power. All right. So I'm going to put my 1 in here, and I'm just going to take 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 3 times 4. And I'm going to keep the bases, and then I'm going to look back through and see if I need to clean up. So 2 times 3 is 3. I'm sorry, 3 times 1 is 3. Then I got u, and then 2 times 3 is 6. And then I get my k, and 3 times 4 is 12. All right, so we're almost done. The only thing we need to do is actually work this part out. So I have -2 times -2 times -2, because I had 3 of them. So I just have to work this out. And you can use your calculator if you want, or you could just do it manually. -2 times -2 is 4. And then 4 times -2 is -8. So we have -8, u to the 6th, k to the 12th. Final answer. So I'm going to look for it, and that said reason. So I'm going to write that answer in there. -8, u to the 6th, k to the 12th. And let's look for it down here. Oh, there it is. Okay. So, oops, you can't see that. So it says right here, -8, u to the 6th, k to the 12th. So something is the reason, her, whatever. We don't know. All right, let's try another one. Let's do number 20. Number 20 says negative u to the 10th k squared. All right, let's fill in all of our spaces that don't have anything. This is k to the first. This is actually a negative 1. So when I rewrite it, I'm going to keep this negative 1u, and then I'm going to multiply the exponents. So 2 times 10 is 20, and then I have k to the second power because 1 times 2 is 2. And that's really, well, that's not true. Okay, whoops, I need to finish something. So this was negative 1 to the first power, and we got 1 times 2 is also 2. I might need to rewrite this. So this is actually negative 1 squared u to the 20 k squared. It's kind of hard to read here, but negative 1 also got squared. I forgot to write my exponent there. So we need to make 1 times 2 here as well. So make sure you pick up any bases. Negative 1 was its own base, and then u is a base, and then k is a base. And it is confusing, and it is. I'm not going to say it's not. Now we actually need to figure this out. So we got negative 1 times negative 1. Then we still have u to the 20 and k to the second. So negative 1 times negative 1 is just positive 1. And then we got u to the 20 and then k squared. They don't usually write the 1, so our answer probably is not going to have this 1 in here because it's understood to be there. I doubt that our answer will have that 1 there. So we're looking for something that probably looks more like this than this. And sure enough, right there it is. And what number was that? Okay, cannot. So this was u to the 20th, k to the second. And it is cannot. All right, so I want you to try some by yourself. I think you might have questions on this. This is getting into a little bit harder here. And please feel free to ask me if you have questions, and we can work as many out together as you need.